Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2022 SEMA Show, and I came across a very cool 1968 Dodge Charger I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it. What about that? At first glance, you don't even notice that something's unique about it. Especially out at SEMA, as crazy as things are out there, if it doesn't just jump in your face, a lot of times you miss it. And I shot this whole car, and I kept thinking to myself, I don't know, something's going on with this thing. And it turns out it's a company called Exomod, and this is the C68 Carbon version. It's built on the Hellcat Challenger platform. They've made a whole carbon fiber body to fit the Hellcat Challenger platform. If you can believe it, the 68 Charger wheelbase was 117 inches. The 2011 through now Dodge Hellcat wheelbase is 116.2 inches. The difference of 0.8 inches. So it fit up rather nicely. The concept was they had built one of these, as you know, so many in the industry do, with aftermarket parts and chassis and all that kind of stuff, but they didn't have the reliability. And so they got this idea, let's start with a Hellcat platform. Basically, I mean, the steel structure I think is still up underneath there. It comes with a warranty. It can be serviced at any Dodge dealer. So there's a lot of advantages to it, and the proportions are close enough. I don't think a lot of people, especially if you're not around cars a lot, would notice much difference in it. It works. And then keep in mind, all that whole body is carbon fiber. 20-inch wheels all the way around. Like I said, the Hellcat, so it's got the brakes, it's got everything the Hellcat had, these cars have. Except for the Hellcat body, 2011 till present. This one's got a 68 Charger. Based on a 68 Charger, let's put it that way. And they left some stripes exposed so that you could see the carbon fiber body up underneath. I think they're cool, but they're pricey. Y'all sit down. 250 grand plus the Hellcat. And then there's options, like those exposed stripes and stuff. Those are options. Interior is available in a few colors, basically what the Hellcat comes in. And then body color is any color basically you want. You can come up with any color you want, because the whole body is custom. I think it's cool. I think they did a good job. It works. Especially if you're that type of person who, you know, doesn't want to tinker, doesn't want to mess with something, just wants to get in and drive it whenever they want to get in and drive it. If they should have a problem, they can just pull off. Anybody with a scan tool should be able to tell them what's wrong with it. And you're rich. Because that's the thing that it takes that I don't have. You got to be rich. 250 grand plus. So you're 350, somewhere around there. But it's a one-off. I mean, one-off. It's a limited number custom car. That's, you know, it costs what it costs. I'm not banging these guys for what they're asking for them. Don't take me wrong. Because there's a lot of work, a lot of R&D, a lot that went into having this thing sitting on the floor of the 2022 SEMA Show. I think it works. Proportions are close enough. Not exact, but close enough. So there you go, from the 2022 SEMA Show, the 1968 Dodge Charger, C68 Carbon. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.